Being Human is a lesson designed to help pupils uncover how and why ordinary people became complicit in mass murder. In Worcester, a group of pupils is teaching their peers about the human side of the Holocaust.
Who is responsible for the Holocaust? No matter how many people that we ask this question to, the answer is always going to be the same. Hitler caused the Holocaust.
This is just one of the many misconceptions about the Holocaust.
A lot of people think only Jews were killed.
A lot of people thought that Hitler was completely mad, which isn't necessarily true.
Another is that the people involved can easily be grouped into 4 different categories. Perpetrators are
Evil,
Insane.
Merciless.
Collaborators are
Selfish.
Brainwashed.
Sinister.
Bystanders are
Unaware.
Coward.
oblivious,
Rescuers and resistors are
determined,
caring.
Brave.
After exploring common misconceptions, the lesson turns to individual stories.
This is Leon Greenman
and Elsa Greenman.
and their child Barney Greenman.
They were sent to Auschwitz, and on the journey they discussed what they were going to do if one of them died and agreed that they should remarry and make sure that Barney had 2 parents. They thought he was safe.
Barney was murdered, along with his mother. He was just 2.5.
Why didn't somebody save Barney?
They were too afraid because of the power Hitler had.
The power that Hitler had over them completely brainwashed the people into thinking that everything he said and thought was right, when in reality it really wasn't.
Yeah.
By discussing who was complicit in Barney Greenman's death, pupils consider more carefully the complex reasons why so many became embroiled in the Holocaust.
And we want you to write on the post-it note whether you think the person is a perpetrator, a collaborator, a bystander, or a rescuer or resistor. And most importantly, we want you to write the motive of why they did what the case study is about.
The engineers who fix the beams and all that, would you say that they are collaborators as well? But it's their job to fix trains, isn't it? So people get work, transport, etc.
On the surface, everything seems black and white.
But when we look closer at individual people, things aren't so clear.
It actually kind of falls into 2 categories, doesn't it?
The woman here called Sophia Kosak.
I think she was an interesting one because she actually hated the Jews, but she decided to help them anyway because she didn't think that they deserved to die, but just to kick them out of Poland.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils return to the question of who is to blame for Barney's murder.
Who killed Barney? So, any ideas who actually killed Barney?
kind of everyone who was behind and supporting and part of the sort of the whole of the campaign to wipe out the Jews. Genocides aren't caused by individual people.
It needs whole societies to enable them to happen.
Before this lesson, I thought the Holocaust was just about Hitler convincing a lot of people to just kill Jews because he felt like it.
I thought Hitler caused the Holocaust and he was an evil weirdo.
Today I learned how the Holocaust wasn't just started by one person, but by multiple people.
I now realise that other people are a part of the Holocaust and it wasn't all Hitler.
I didn't really know about the layers of depth and about the collaborators or the bystanders or the rescuers.